G'day, Pete Techman Coman here at CES 2020 in Las Vegas, and for the last couple of years I've come across this product which is one of my favorite products at the show. It's called WeCharge, and effectively what it is it's transmitting power via light. So you can see up here we have our light source or our power source, and down here we have our trains racing around the train track with no batteries. Now, we've seen that for the last couple of years, but they have a new version, a smaller, more discreet version, which is this guy here, doing exactly the same thing. And you can see there's a number of products available now that work with this wireless power device. So if we try this faucet here, it's pretty cool. As I said, this is been one of my favorite products for the last couple of years, and it's great to see that they've further developed it. And yeah, I really love it. I suggest you guys check it out, because I think this is the way that we will be powering many devices around the home and the office in the not too distant future.